guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox black+decker cordless drill machine. Model number is EPC12K2. I brought it from Flipkart for 3299 rupees. Inside the box we got a black case to carry this machine and some papers like user's manual and warranty cards. And we got two 12V 1.5Ah battery with charger and drill machine and some tools to drill and drive the screws. This machine has 24 torque clutch, which we can use it to drive a screw without over tightening. To drill, you can see drill symbol rotate to there to disable clutch mechanism. Looking to the machine body, you can see small button which is used to rotate a machine in clockwise or anti-clockwise. and below that a big button to turn on the machine. It can also control the speed by pressing hardly or slowly. It can rotate 750 rpm without load. This is keyless chunk and its size is 10 mm. Maximum capacity in wood 25 mm. Maximum capacity in steel 10 mm. Now I fully charged this battery. Okay guys, this is how the clutch works. Now I disabled the clutch by rotating into the drill mode. This is nickel cadmium battery, not lithium battery. If it is lithium ion battery, that it can transfer more power, which can improve its performance. So I think new stock is come with lithium battery, which you want to make sure when buying, so your machine can improve performance. Now we got 12.78 volt, which I think we have 18% juice in it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please go and hit the like button. Also subscribe and leave your comment.